When Mrs. Griffin's was ready to promote its oldest barbecue sauce in the USA, it chose a new approach for its 32-ounce jar. Printed, durable, bottleneck hang tabs for Do It Corporation. One bottleneck hang tab provides a barbecue chicken recipe, and the other an instantly redeemable coupon. Both of Do It's two DPL style bottleneck hang tabs are digitally printed on two sides. Each bottleneck hang tab is made with 10mm OPP XT film, an extra tear-resistant synthetic paper made from a unique mixture of calcium carbonate and polypropylene resin. This material is highly scuff, tear, moisture, UV, and extreme temperature resistant. These bottleneck hang tabs are designed to easily slip over the cap of the 32-ounce jar but remain snug on the bottle's neck, and will stay attractive looking in any retail environment.